Crack an egg over sardines and you won't believe the result. To start, we'll need a can of sardines. Let's open it. After opening, we'll drain some liquid and add an egg. Now let's set it aside. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of oil. Spread it evenly. Add the sardines and egg to the pan. Using a fork, mash everything together well. Spread the mashed sardines evenly in the pan. Now add 2 slices of ham, and 2 slices of mozzarella. A pinch of oregano, cover and let it cook. When the cheese is melted, it's ready. Look how delicious it looks, folks. Now, just serve and enjoy. An easy, quick, tasty snack or dinner with few ingredients. I'm sure you have all of these at home. That's another tip from Magazine.